everyone, welcome back. My name is Soul. I'm an energy healer, and let's get into today's session. Okay. I'm nervous today. I don't know how many sessions this is now, but for some reason it feels like day one and I'm just extra nervous. And that reminds me of like something my dad says. He says, things don't get easier, you just get stronger. And so just want to bring that in today's session. And the first thing we're going to is a permission statement. So I am the type of energy healing that I do. I'm a body talk practitioner. So permission statements are not necessarily like affirmations. We can use them like that. In a permission statement, we're more or less hooking or unhooking the energetic charge around a certain statement. And today's statement is, I allow my body to relax. I allow my body to relax. Okay, a couple more times here. I allow my body to relax. Continue to breathe. I allow my body to relax. Keep breathing. If your shoulders have not completely relaxed or dropped, it's okay. You can continue to say the statement, and you can always come back to the statement. Just let it pass. Okay, keep breathing, and then I'm going to get into a little bit of an explanation. So the best way I can describe this is like when a cartoon character liquefies. So I know there's like some negative connotations, like when a character just like wants to like liquefy and like disappear into the ground. But I've always seen it from a different perspective, right? It's like, oh wow, that person, what it's like to be able to, if I could just be myself but in a different form, then I could relax. And then that also gives me the thought of like Bruce Lee's quote about being water, and how, you know, whatever container the water is in, that's the shape that the water takes. So different form, same exact thing, just water. Okay, yawning for the shift. Okay, so we're good on that one. And then we're going to go to the thymus gland. And so the thymus gland is the hormonal gland that's in the neck area and has the important job of training and maturing certain cells to help us in our immune system. And it's linking to the neck, so same area, just further strengthening and rebalancing this whole area. And then we're going to go to our father's side 3 generations back. And I'm feeling like I'm in a one-sided argument. So have you ever been like the dumping ground of an argument? Right? It's not that you're losing, it's that you perceive yourself to be a loser. And because of that perception, you can't offer up any words in that moment. You're just like, I'm just gonna sit here and take it, I guess. Versus like in other interactions, maybe you're an internet troll and you just feel safer behind the keyboard, or you know, in your journal, in your personal journal, you're quite poetic. Regardless of the case, like, regardless of the case, we are able to speak now. And much like, maturing cells for our immune system, we can actually put up a fight in an argument and put in our 2 cents. Okay. Okay, so this is our last one. Okay, but I think this is our third time talking about the kidneys. Not in this session, but just like cumulative. So I'm just like, okay, we keep going back to the kidneys. But, our kidneys are important. They're one of our major filtration systems of the body. And sometimes we take them for granted, like, oh, well, you got 2 kidneys. But we've got 2 of them, like, for a reason. Like, we've got a lot of stuff in our lives that we have to process. And so we're just rebalancing both of the kidneys. We're doing a cell repair on them. And I'm getting like this like jerking feeling. So our kidneys are actually like located in our lower back. And I just feel like this jerk forward motion. Like, and the pain being in my lower back. Okay, yawn for the confirmation shift. Okay, I mean, hopefully this explains it a little bit more. So like, one image I have is like, if you've ever been in a car accident and then you've had to like jerk forward and back. And then that motion brings pain to the lower back area. And then the other one is a really painful image where we're just like, you're already knocked, you're already down and out, and then you're just like still getting hurt, and like as if it's like physical kicks to this lower back area. So those are the 2 images that are coming to mind for this shift. Oh, but it's gone now. Nice. Okay. So that's today's session. Please like and share with someone who you think will benefit, and I will see you next week.